Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see all the posts that you've been tagged in on your feed. So, open up your Facebook and go to your profile from here. Then click on the little icon and scroll down. Once you've done that, click on the little gear icon here. And here you see all the posts from you and basically on your wall overall. So what you want to do is click filters and click tagged posts. Only show posts that you've been tagged in. And click done. Right now I don't have any post that I'm tagged in, but from here you can edit all the posts that you are tagged in. They will appear here in a list, and you can just scroll down, and if you want to tag, remove tags, remove posts as overall, and edit them from here. Right now, as I said, I don't have any, just because it's a new account and I'm not tagged in anything, but you get the gist. That's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.